Hello, welcome to English Podcast for Beginners, a place for simple English and friendly voices. I'm your friend, Lovely. I am so happy you are here. Do you want to feel happier? Today, I will tell you a secret. It is a very easy secret. It is the power of saying thank you. Let's talk about gratitude. What is gratitude? It is a big word, but the meaning is simple. Gratitude means thank you. It is the warm feeling in your heart when you see something good. Maybe you are thankful for your family. That is a big thing. Or maybe you are thankful for your morning coffee. That is a small thing. All good things are important. Gratitude helps you see them. Why is this so powerful? Our minds are very busy. Sometimes we think only about our problems. This makes us sad. But gratitude changes our thoughts. We stop. We think about good things. We think, I have a home. I have food. I have a friend. This makes us feel calm. It makes us feel happy. Think about a window. A dirty window is hard to see through, but a clean window is clear. The sun can shine in. Gratitude cleans the window of your mind. Happy feelings can shine in. So, how can you practice gratitude? It is very easy. You can start today. First, think of 3 good things. Every day, think of 3 things. They can be very small. For example, my coffee was good. Or, I heard a nice song. Or, my friend smiled at me. Just 3 things. Feel the happy feeling. Second, say thank you more. Say thank you to the shop assistant. Say thank you to your teacher. When you say thank you, you feel happy. You make other people happy too. Third, you can write it down. Get a small notebook. This is a gratitude journal. Every day, write one thing you are thankful for. Writing helps you remember the good feelings. Can you try it? Can you try it for one day? Find one small thing. Feel thankful for it. Feel the warm feeling in your heart. You can do this. It is a simple step to a happier day. Thank you for listening. Thank you for your time. This is Lovely, sending you warm thoughts. Goodbye.